Hi guys, so I'm going to be showing you what's in my fidget box. So yeah, let's get started. First thing I have is this pink cat. So it's like an ice cream sandwich. It is scented. It's still rising. It's squishy. Okay. Oh, and then I have this teddy bear. It's not a fidget technically, but it's comforting. You put it in the microwave and it's warm. It smells like lavender. I like it. And I got this. Like that. You can play with it. Next up, I have this little guy. He's a little dude with ice cream hair. He's really cute. He's also slow rising squishy. And then I got my headphones. Like that, to block out loud noises if you want. And then I have this thing. It's like a marble maze. There's like a marble inside, and you move it around inside this little thing. Yeah. And then I have this weighted butterfly. Kind of play with, yeah. And then this, it's a glitter stick. And yeah. I got 2 of these. And they're little stress balls. And then I have this marble tube thing. I like this fidget. Yeah. And then I got a glow-in-the-dark goldfish. Still squishy. And got this thing, I forget what it's called. I don't really put that one that much, but yeah. I got it's supposed to be a slap-on bracelet, but yeah, you can also just do that. And then we have Play-Doh. This is the Play-Doh that comes with the Lost Kitties. And we got a weighted froggy. Cute. Got that. And then we got this little thing. I like the texture of it. Kind of, or you can also rub your face on it. Oh, yeah. And then we got a lizard. Stick his tongue out. And then, oh, this one has hair all over it. Probably cat hair. Okay, looks like I'm going to have to rinse that one off when I'm done with this video. Okay. And then we got 2 things of Wish slime. So, it's really crappy slime, but it's like more like putty. Yeah. The container's really cute. It looks like a macaroon. Yeah, it rips very easily. Yep. Yeah. There's the yellow one. And then here's the purple. And we got this. We got the purple Wish slime. Putty. And next up, we have this little caterpillar keychain. It's so cute. Kind of just rub your fingers on it, I guess, if you wanted. And then, got this squishy plush toy. It's a little llama. It's yellow. It's cute. And then I have this fidget. It's like it makes clicky sounds. Yeah. And then I have this little polar bear. It's a squishy. For some reason. And I got this little unicorn. This is also from Wish, but it's actually not. It's actually not too bad, but it's really cute. It's like a galaxy unicorn. And next up, I have the strawberry with Orbeez in it, and it lights up. I don't. Okay. And then I have this squishy bunny. Little bunny. And I got this fidget. Like a snake neck. It's a snake neck necklace. And then I have a narwhal squishy. That. And then get a cake. Like birthday cake. I think I got that one for Christmas. That is from Zeblo. And we got a rainbow bead ring fidget. I like the rainbow one. It's so cute. Do that. And then we got this little unicorn. It's really cute and soft, but I think it like makes my fingers feel weird, but oh well. And now we have this fidget. And then we got this fidget. Got that. And then we got the spring thing. Springs. Yeah. And then we got a stingray. It's weighted. Yeah. And then we have a a fidget spinner. And then we got a little squishy baby chicken. It's really cute. And then we have a broken tangle. I know I have really bad luck with these. They always break on me, but I like them a lot, so I keep buying them because I'm stupid. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna fidget with that. And then we have this little bead thing fidget. It has like silicone beads on it. Yeah. And we got this little monkey. It's like a pink sock monkey bendy thing. Then I have a little seal squishy. I did a kitty paw. It's covered in hair. And a glow in the dark kitty. And that's the end of the video. Bye guys.